doesn't hurt me. You wanna feel how it feels. You wanna know that it doesn't hurt me. You wanna hear about the deal I'm making. You and me. And if I only could make a deal with God, get him to swap our places, be running up that road, be running up that.
Alright, good Saturday evening, everybody. Let's take a look currently at the national radar. You can see really not watching a lot out there. We're just watching basically some light showers moving into southern New England. A very strong storm exiting Maine that moved through New England, and we're watching some lake effect snow showers and also a storm coming into the west, Oregon and Washington. And basically, mainly most of the country is dry besides New England and the west. Let's take a look at those temperatures right now. They are in mainly the 40s and 30s as this gigantic trough digs down into mainly most of the eastern seaboard. Minnesota, possibly down into the Florida Panhandle, 50s, 40s, and 30s. Parts of Kentucky and Tennessee were in the 20s this morning, so that's how powerful this trough really was. So let's take a look at current temperatures in Connecticut. They're in the 40s and 50s. More south you go, I would say it gets a little warmer as you go more southwest. Now another story we're following is Tropical Storm Tomas out there. Currently winds are at 65 miles per hour, not really impacting any land besides the Bahamas. Minimum central pressure around 991 millibars, and moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. This is as of the 5 p.m. advisory, guys. So basically, it moved through Haiti, the Dominican Republic, and Bahamas. Unfortunately, claimed the lives of 9 people. So currently we have another wave out there, 10% chance for tropical development. Here's the 5-day forecast for Tropical Storm Tomas. It's expected to be a tropical storm throughout its journey and then become a depression and then eventually move out. So you can see this huge trough digging down into mainly the entire eastern seaboard, bringing us very cool temperatures. So you can see the storm system, lots of moisture with it. Now you can see the trough flips north for Monday, but look what happens. A storm retrogrades into southern New England and mainly New England. This GGM model is not showing any snow at all, because you can see the 0-degree line is over the water. Now let's animate this some more for you. It just disappears. We're mainly going to see the winds, a huge threat. We're just getting word that Tomas is a Category 1 hurricane. This is breaking news just in WX Media. But let's take a look still at the models. They're basically showing NAM is showing the same thing but cooler air with some more precip. Now let's take a look at the NOGAPS model. Basically showing for us, I would say, not as much rain as the NAM and the GFS were, the NAM and the GGM were predicting usually, but a huge storm is showing develops out in the Atlantic. Now let's take a look at the GFS model, not most reliable model, but let's still take a look at it. Let's start this animation up for you. You can see the trough digs down, then moves north, and then the storm retrogrades back in, and then back out. So now you can definitely see not heavy rain, but some very light rain moving into the Atlantic. Now this is not really reliable at all. The end of the GFS is never reliable because you can see all these colors getting bigger and brighter. So that really does not show us anything. Now let's take a look at the European model. I'm sorry, most of it is cut off, but most of the precip will be coming Monday, basically showing what the no gaps in the GFS is saying. That's basically what it's showing. The 540 line moves north and is out of New England. You can see it right there in Canada. So let's take a look more in time. This is 54 hours out. Basically, we're not seeing any cool air in New England. Once the storm gets here, it's not going to be cooling down. It's going to be warming up. You could see the trough lifts north into Canada. As it does so, another storm system will be moving into the west. So that's basically what the European is thinking at this time. Let's take you more in, and just shows you another storm developing in the Midwest and throwing another storm at us. It's going to keep continuing to do that throughout the November time period. So November is definitely something interesting to watch, indeed. So now let's take a look at the current temperature plots. You can see mainly 30s, 40s. Now once the storm gets here, it's going to be in the 40s, 50s, and 60s. So huge temperature change from before the storm to after the storm. So you can see these 20s in New York and Pennsylvania. Then we go one more frame. If we could right now, we go one more frame. They're going to be in the 40s, 50s, and 60s. But you can just see marvelous cool air. So there it goes. 40s, 50s, and 60s. Now, please visit our website, wxmedia.blogspot.com. Sorry for the audio troubles. We're really not planning a video today, so we're having a little bit of audio problems. So sorry this video was a little slow and everything. Make sure to visit our website, wxmedia.blogspot.com, and on Twitter at wxmedia. Once again, Tomas is a Category 1 hurricane with winds of 80 miles per hour. More on our Twitter page, wxmedia, and our website, wxmedia.blogspot.com. Have a great day, everybody, and stay tuned.